When I went through my spiritual awakening, I got more than psychic development, more self-acceptance, more confidence. I was more willing to do things that were valuable and meaningful to me. I found that my abundance grew in direct relationship to my healing. It's this story that I want to share with you. You can't copy another person's methods for abundance. Everyone's different, and if you copy someone else's method, you're only ignoring your own unique system, the way that you work and the way that your energy is. I can't teach you how to do what I do, but I can show you how to find yourself and how to honor yourself. If you're ready to access your abundance, your birthright, and to live the life that you came into this lifetime to lead, then follow me along in my stories the rest of this week so that you know exactly when to register for my free class.